Hi, welcome to BONITA'S Kitchen and thank you for joining us. Well, today I'm planning on making the salad for ourselves and I wanted to share it with you guys. I said to Raymond, you know, we got all these cucumbers in our fridge, what can we do with it? And we are making a cucumber salad. And I realized I don't have a cucumber salad up on our channel, and this is a good time to do it. So if this interests you and you like to know how I'm putting mine together, stick around and let's get started.
Bonita's Kitchen to yours. Bonita's Kitchen. It's kitchen.
So what I got here now is a nice basket of vegetables. I got some carrot and celery, some small cucumbers, and I'm going to be cutting these up. I rinsed it all off. Over here I got some lettuce. This is for garnishing my bowl. I'll tell you more about that. Here I got a whole bunch of seasonings and ingredients I'm going to be putting into this bowl. I'll show you that, and the recipe I'll be sharing with you. And I got some white onion, but you could use, I'm going to say, a red onion for this recipe. It'd work good. So I'm going to toss in here all of my seasonings first. So this is some salt, some onion powder. I got a little bit of sugar, black pepper. I got, so I can reach for it, some white vinegar. And I got some yellow mustard. Now you could use a mustard of choice, a Dijon mustard, or your own homemade mustard. I got some dried dill, but you can use fresh dill. Use what's in season. I got some sweet green relish, and you could use a relish that you made. Could be something that you like to add to substitute it. And this is mayo, and you can also use Miracle Whip.
So you more or less get a little bit of this and a little bit of that.
Absolutely, Raymond, and that's the way we roll here. That's the way we roll here. And basically, use what you got available. This is one of these salads you're not going out to buy extra. So pretty much, I just got myself a big old bowl there to get everything mixed in, and then after I'm going to use a fancy bowl to put everything over into that I'm going to use to serve. So now that's all I need to do with that. So I'm going to put that there to the side, and right here now we're going to start cutting up our cucumbers. Now this is going to be your decision to make on how you like to cut up your cucumber, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to do mine. So now you could take your grater and grate, I guess, you know, sizes you'd like there. You go down that way and do just little small pieces like this. You take your knife and go slant ways, because this is the way I'm going to do it. Have it where they're a little bigger, or you can do the long ways, Juliet them, or just round pieces. So we'll let you decide on how you're going to make your cucumbers or cut your cucumbers to do the salad. I'm going to do mine on a slant. So pretty much that's all you need to do there. I'm thinking today I'm going to use about 4 cups for this this recipe. I'm going to pull in this bowl. Can you see my bowl there, Raymond?
Oh yeah, see heaven then.
Yeah, well I'm just going to toss these cucumbers into the bowl, and before I add onto the next, finishes this off, I got a small onion. I'm using a white onion, but you could use a red onion. I like using red, but I'm using what I got in the house today, and this is what I got. I got my white onion. So pretty much I'm gonna put all these in there, and these are new onion here today, so it's not going to be as sharp as normal when they're sitting forever. I'm going to cut this up more. I got here a chunk of feta cheese. Now you could use the cheese that you enjoy having, but I like this in there because it's got a nice sourness to it and a sharpness, you know, and it's very tasty. So just grate this in. Pretty much that's it. So about 4 cups my salad, but like you said, depending on who you're making your salad for, you judge what's best. So right now, you decide what way you want to cut your celery. I'm going to do the same cut as I did for the cucumber. A little bit of a slant, a thin slice, just to have that nice taste, crunch, and I'm using 1 stick. And I'm also going to be using the celery leaves in here as well, because, and that would be just for garnish, you could do that for. And over here I got a carrot. I just got it washed, not peeled, and I'm going to shred this one and have it nice little pieces. Hi, Bonita here. If you are looking for a way to support Bonita's Kitchen channel while shopping on Amazon, stop by our new Amazon storefront to buy kitchen gadgets and items you need in your kitchen. Now back to our video. That's pretty much all I need to do there. So just 1 large carrot, and again, shred it like this, or you can slice it the same way if you want everything looking the same in your salad. But I like just small pieces of carrot. And that's all I need to do there. So now we're building our salad, and this cucumber salad is probably, you're saying, a little different than you would make it, because I like to put all different things in there that I got in my fridge that is either ready to go bad, or I just wanted to build those flavors. So I got 2 hard-boiled eggs here. I'm not going to put it in there yet because I don't want to beat it up. I wasn't going to put tomato in it, but when I pulled out my cucumber, Raymond, it was 3 tomato there and just a small amount of the garnish there, the celery garnish. So I'll use that as well.
You can't go wrong with little tomatoes.
No, those little tomatoes, and I'll just cut them in cubes. I got about 6 pieces of romaine lettuce here, and what I'm going to do with this is put it in what I call my fancy bowl on the bottom, and the salad is going to go on top of it. So I'm just going to trim off these a little, and then I'll do that. I'll show you that. Just going to take a little bit of the brown off the top, and they've been washed already. When I say washed, rinse over cold water and pat dry. If it's a little piece like this, that's fine. If you got a bigger piece, cut it down the middle and make 2 out of it, so you're able to set it into the bowl a little better. So I'll just finish that, and we're going to toss that salad together. Yeah, like I was saying, that I wasn't going to do any tomato in it, but because there was 2 tomatoes there calling out, I figured it might as well. So the sauce on the bottom, when you toss all of this goodness together, you see it's all blending in, and taste your sauce after you've made it in the bottom. Just see if there's enough seasonings there for you or anything else that you'd like to add in with it. I'm going to put these eggs in there, give them a light tossing. A few of these here, and I'll leave a couple for on the top, just to give it a light tossing to get the sauce through. Now I'm going to pour it out into this bowl. So I'm just trying to move that fancy bowl there closer to me so I can pour everything into. So right now we're just going to toss this all out into the middle, having the lettuce that you can pull out as well when you're taking off what you want. Make sure it's all tossed equally. I may not have it all there perfect, but because once you got it into your serving bowl, pretty much it's ready to go then. I'm gonna toss those tomatoes over the top. That's chopped up there. And then to end it off, I'm going to garnish it with just a smidgen of paprika just for the top. Now what do you think of this?
Looking good.
Cucumber salad, and it's just made with whatever you got in your fridge. and in your home that you can just add in there. Yum. Now I can't wait to have a taste. A couple of nice serving spoons. I'm going to pour up a cup of tea and take up a little taste. I'm going to sample it, Raymond, before we get company and have this with our supper.
Sounds like a good plan.
Yeah, let's just have a little taste. I'm trying to get a little taste of each one of it just to get that blend. Mm. Mm. I'll put my food in my mouth, Raymond. Absolutely delicious. A blend of beautiful flavors. All of those vegetables there together. I would say make it the night before you're going to serve it. So it's all of those flavors is building there together. I leave it in the fridge up to 2-3 days, eating on it when you want it. But if you're making enough for that meal, your company is not going to be disappointed. 2 thumbs up. I can't wait for you to make it. Yum. And I can't believe that I was going to make this salad today and not share it with anyone. Just whip it up because I had all these cucumbers that I needed to use. That would be my bad. So right now we got this beautiful cucumber salad here for you. And just be mindful of ingredients that you got in your fridge to make it affordable so you don't have to go out and buy extra. I will leave the recipe as usual in the comment area and the the area in under the video, or you can send me a message at bonita'skitchen@gmail.com and I can send it to you. As well, visit us on our Facebook page or pop by to our website www.bonita'skitchen.com. Also, this salad is the ingredients that I've used there today is about from 4 to 6 servings in there, you know, depending on what else you're serving with a meal. Again, you could double or triple it depending on how many you need it for, and use the seasonings to your taste. So before we go, we like to do a big old shout out to everyone that's supporting our channel, from our paid members to our subscribers and all of our new subscribers. Thank you so much for stopping by and supporting our channel and enjoying all of our videos. So we know your time is precious and we're not going to take another minute of it. But the but word. Don't forget to check out all of our videos to date. We have got over 600 plus videos and we're on our 12th year of streaming them. So thank you to all of you guys for that. We're excited to continue bringing new videos to you, and we're
looking forward to another 12 years if you keep.
Well, if you want to see us, we certainly would. And if again, if you want to see a video and you can't find it, just send us a message on one of those links. So on behalf of myself
And me, of course.
Raymond and our team, and from our kitchen to yours,
You have
a wonderful day. Toodaloo. I'm going to
Toodaloo.
take the salad and run now.
I'm right behind you.
Odyssey, a journey in culinary, always an open door. Bonita's Kitchen to yours. Bonita's Kitchen.